Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Traders, eh? I'm Isaac, and it's the first of the month, May 1st, 2022. And I actually put, huh? Oh, I'm sorry, May 2nd, 2022. Um, Whoops, you know what? Let me actually fix this now before I forget. May 2nd, 2022. I actually put a little salad right here. I'll show you right now. Only a 0.01, so it's nothing major. I'm up about 15 pips, I think. But the real sell that I'm kind of looking at, I already moved my stops to break even because I do feel like price can continue to push up to our area up here. And if not, at least up to the 15-minute 50 EMA right here. So that's kind of where I'm looking for a sell. Nothing crazy though. I don't, anything that I put in right here isn't going to be a big lot size just because of um, the sell I see up here. I like this 15-minute sell up in this golden zone area. So anything I put up here I'm not gonna be risking too much in terms of the dollar amount. So I'm gonna use a small lot size in there, and yeah, see what happens. So uh, let me show you exactly why I want to take this trade up here. So on Thursday, late Thursday afternoon, right before close, I seen that we had some rejections right here, so I entered a sell. It was just a 0.01, risked about $40 to make about $318, I think it was total, and it hit perfectly. And then at open on Friday, or I guess this isn't even open, almost open. Basically around 6:45 Pacific Standard Time on Friday, we seen a clear rejection up to the 61%, where price fell, a few hundred pips. What is this, 430 all the way to 830, so 600 pip drop on Sunday. I'm sorry, excuse me, on Friday. I didn't take this trade here. I wasn't awake in time for that trade, but it was a clean trade, right? Used it, fell down, and you could see what it's doing now. Still in a downtrend. We did break below the lows right here. Not only did we break this low, but we broke this low, which is a good thing, right? At the end of the day, that's what you want to see. You want to see those lows broken. It gives us a little bit more cause to think that price is going to continue in this downward projection. So I think I'm just about stopped out right here. Let me see. Put it about $3 in the profit. So I was up $19 at one point, so about 19 pips at one point. What the heck is happening again? I don't know what happened right here. Let's see. I need to get a new phone ASAP, man. Sheesh. What the hell is happening here? Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Where's my clipboard? Hmm. Hold on a second. Alright, we'll see right here. Damn, I don't know what happened right here. This is one of the main reasons why I stopped messing around with KOTs. It would do this shit out of nowhere. Just log me out. No way, man. Okay. Fuck, what the fuck is happening? Hold on a quick second. Let me see what I got here. What's up? Let me see. Alright, so again, this is the trade that I'm looking for up here. I know my stop loss is at break even, but that's why I hate doing it. Alright, damn, I don't even know what to do. Alright, I'm gonna try and figure this out because it opens about 5 minutes away. But overall, I think price should push up, at least up into this area, but I'm hoping price pushes up into this area, and then we could go ahead and catch the trade down to the 61.8% right here. This is where I think price could come down to, and I'll show you right 2 hour. Sorry, my shit is crazy. All right. You know what? This is a key golden zone. This is where price bounced, but we're now seeing a break right here. That makes me want to kind of look at this area even more. Sell-off, possible sell-off area right here. This isn't a golden zone, but let me see here. So this golden zone is from March 31st, 2021, so over a year ago. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to get back there. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Okay, so the 4 hour, this is the one from March 31st, right? Golden zone from March 31st. Boom. Now, this level is key right here. We could see that automatically. Let's see how we can do it. Delete that, we don't need it no more. So it's actually damn near touched this area already. So this could be key. So I don't want to think too hard into it. Let's see what Forex Factory is thinking right before open right here. Okay, so it's a bank holiday for the pound. ISM manufacturing PI. So this is going to be coming out pretty soon. Purchasing managers. So we'll see. Man, this ain't coming down. Well, I hope with my KLT this shit's still in there. I don't know if it necessarily hit my shit, but this was where I had a 0.01 in there. So, whoops. I did put a 0.01 in here. I still think price should continue up, but I could be wrong, right? Because it's moving down pretty quick, pretty fast in here. Let's see if I can get this shit going. This shit's getting on my nerves, man. It's the fucking third time this has happened. Alright, well we're at open. Look at that, flying up. So let's go here to the 5-minute. Okay, so let's touch the 61% area right there. Bit of a big rejection. I haven't jumped into anything yet. I mean, we'll see right now. I think I'm gonna use my prosperity. If I have some money in here, give me a second. Okay, I put a 0.01 in there. I got a little something in this account. I'm in at 75.08, but it looks like it's probably gonna come back up. We'll see right now though. Alright, let's see if it could stay that way. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's bouncing off of the 1-minute 50 EMA. It's ready to head up that way. And it just got stopped out. And I only got got $98 in here, so that's not helping anything. Let's see. I mean, it looks like it wants to come down, but we'll see, right? It's still rejecting the area, still not necessarily breaking through it. So yeah, let's just see if it wants to come down. Put another 0.01 in there. I can't really do much, but it looks like it's playing too much. So I'm gonna move my stops to break even instantly, and we'll see what it does. I put in this position at 58. So I'm in at 58 on this. Whoa, shit. I'm in at 58 on this position. I'm up about $34, 33 pips. Stop was going to be about 50 pips. No, that's not even close. I'm way down here. About 33 pips, 30 pips. Damn, it's flying. See if it can stay down though. If I were you, I'd move my stops to break even. We're up about 44 pips now. It's pretty volatile right now, I'll tell you that much. It is pretty volatile. So this is a key IOC that it needs to break right here. Let me show you why. This one right here. So it's barely touching it, but it's rejecting it and respecting it, right? And you can see that. So let's see if it can break through that shit. Man, I wish I had money to take out. I only have a 0.01 though, so it kind of makes it hard. We're up about 63 pips. Let's see if it can break through and hit our target right here. It looks like it wants to. Looks like it can. I'm thinking of just pulling it though. But we'll see right here. I don't want to, but it's the support level, and I want to secure some profits for the day at least. Even if it's a little bit, you know, we're up about 83, 84 pips right now. And I'm gonna take some profits. I'm gonna take my profit right there, just because 78.49. Just because I'm only dealing with $100 right here, I'm gonna just take it, even though I could be missing out on money. I gotta secure that. Something I gotta get better at. If I were you, I would leave it in there. I would literally, if I had my regular 0.05 position, I would hold on to it even longer. I would probably just pull a 0.01 like I did here just to secure those profits. and then from there, you know, kind of take it. The only thing I'm doing is securing profits for the day, and you can see it's still moving. So it's at like 92 pips now, 93 pips. So it's moving. I know that for sure. So I'd keep it in if I were you guys. If you got a bigger lot size, just keep it in there. I don't even know if anybody's watching. Let me see. Yeah, nobody's watching, but if you were in here, this would be my target, at least for then. And it does look like it's going to continue to come down because not only did this broke all the previous lows, now this did, and you could see the rejection that happened instantly right there. And that's why I kind of took my profits, even though I kind of missed out on a few pips, right? Like in consideration here, I could have made an additional $40, $30, $40. But you know, I'll take it, especially for the issues that I was having this morning, and you know, we'll go from there. Got about 78 pips on this trade. And when I took this trade, I was going to put my stops just about above these wicks. So not a great risk to reward ratio in terms of the 1 to 1.8, but you know, risking a 0.01, I think it wasn't bad. Definitely wasn't bad. But you could see the rejection that just happened right here, and that's why I did it, because I knew that this area was key. I knew it was strong. So I think overall it was a decent trade, and I think it should still continue to come down. Yeah. So I think it should still continue to come down. It's just a matter of time, really. So let's see. Let's see if it does. Let me check out the 1 minute here. Yeah, these are two huge rejections. It's still moving down pretty quickly. You can see everything's red right now. The S&P 500, SPY, crypto, everything is down right now. I think we are definitely headed. I think we definitely are headed down. It's just a matter of time to where. So. You can see this level it's a key level, it's a strong level, and that's why I pulled my trade at this point, because I knew these rejections could happen just like that, right? Alright, that shit's flying up. And I'm telling you, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to pull profits at that area. Now, I do want to kind of retest, but the way it's looking right now is it's got a strong push to the upside right now. So, it's the only reason why I think it might come back up to our zone up here, all the way up top. I don't know. It looks like maybe there's a little bit too much force right here, too much strength. On the 15 minute, it just looks insane right now. So, yeah, I think I'm going to stay away. Good thing we pulled it here at this point. You know, we missed out on an additional 40 pips, but yeah, look at that shit's flying. And let me show you the 15 minute. This looks crazy on its own. Huge rejection right out of the zone, right? That I thought we could take it at. Huge rejection. Now it's flying up. It could reject right here on the 15-minute 50 EMA, but that's too much strength for me to go ahead and take this sell. Whoops. Truthfully, I would rather wait for it to get up either to this resistance to support or this, but the only way I would take it here at this resistance to support is actually if the 50 EMA was coming down through it. Now, I don't think the 30 is. Let's see where the 30's at. The 30's up here, but again, look at this. Even though there's still 16 minutes here on this one, on this 15 minute, look at where it's headed, right? Like, there's a huge push to the upside right here. So at that point, I'm really just going to be waiting up here. This will be my area. I already have my alert set, approaching sell level. I kind of moved this earlier. Approaching stop loss, right? Well, look, you can see it's rejecting it, that 15-minute 50 EMA. But there's a lot of power there. That's why I definitely wouldn't take the sell off here. I definitely wouldn't. So let's see. Oh, look at that rejection. That was huge. Huge, huge, huge. I don't know if I'd still take it though, just because of that push up. You know, that's the only bad thing, is that push up is crazy. So I think that's the only reason why I wouldn't take it. But that thing's flying. Shit. Maybe if it gives me a little retracement back up, I might take it. I need a little bit more. Things using this as support. See if it rejects. I'm not sure what